to a new episode of Crafting with Cosplay Fabrics. My name is Indra and today I'm going to show you how to work with EVA foam. This is a very introductory little project that I wanted to show you. I'm going to be working on an elbow pad and it has a lot of the initial things like how to detail it, how to pattern something out, like very beginner tutorial, but I wanted to show you this because I often get questions on how to start working with EVA foam. So hopefully this will answer all of your questions. So let's get to it. Okay, so for this project I'm going to be using two different sizes of EVA foam dowels. I'm going to be using a 15mm one and a 10mm one. I'm also going to be using wax paper for cleanup, rubber cement. You can also use contact cement, E6000, hot glue, other types of glue, but I'm going to be using this particular rubber cement for this project. I'm also going to be using my craft scissors, a metallic Sharpie, a measuring tape, a straight edge or ruler, scrap paper, my heat gun, and of course a 1/4 inch thick EVA foam. this tutorial helpful. Maybe this is something that will help you get your feet wet with getting started on working with EVA foam. This is, like I said before, something super beginner. This is simply to show you that it's not very difficult to work with EVA foams. I'll continue to work on this particular project and paint it, incorporate it into a costume, and eventually make other more complicated, more advanced techniques for EVA foam. But I hope that you found this useful. But if you have any other questions or concerns, make sure that you leave them in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week for another tip, trick, or tutorial featuring Cosplay Fabrics. See ya!